Option 2 for your sketchbook assignment. This is a short video to explain the second option that you have for your sketchbook assignment. For the second option, you have the choice of creating a mask. And this can be either a 3D mask or it can be a mask that is drawn. If you decide to do this option, you will open that from your course, the worksheet. You will see the top says mask making activity, provides you with the objectives, tells you that you need paper, pencils, and 3 websites for reference, which are below in the document, and also gives you your optional supplies. So for this, you're going to research masks. Use the internet to begin your research. There is a website listed that is a good place to start, and then a PBS class for a video, so pbslearningmedia.org. You'll visit the below websites to research masks of many cultures. You do not need to visit all the websites. There are many websites listed. You are only required to visit 3. Decide on a culture that you thought was interesting, and then answer the questions found in your mask questionnaire below. Be sure to save which sources you're using, so which websites you use to get your information from. You'll then create a full-color drawing of an original mask design. This will be submitted to the course. The mask must be based on a culture that you've researched. There's a few reflective questions here from the PBS video. Please take a look at those after you watch the video. Those are not required to be submitted, but are an opportunity for you to reflect on what you just watched. The second page contains all the links. There are general masks, African masks, Asian masks, Central and South American masks, Europe and North American masks. Once you complete the picking 3 videos to watch and pick your 3 sources, you can begin the assignment. For this assignment, you can either print this document, put your answers into a Word document or a Google document, or you can open this up and type right on the PDF. You can put your names in the student name, give it a title, tell what materials you used, and enter the culture. So you will continue to answer the questions found on here. For your sketch, you can either paste it into the document or attach it to the submission. Special note, if you wish to create a mask using form, remember that form is 3-dimensional, then you may absolutely do that. You can use some of your clay to create this, use some found objects, incorporate other materials that you have at hand. If you do this, you'll need to take a digital picture or video of the mask so that it can be submitted. You'll submit the photograph or the video and along with your answered questions. Just remember, as long as I can see it, I can grade it, and it does need to be submitted through the course. You'll then answer the following questions and submit them to the course along with your mask. Be sure to include your 3 sources and remember what those 3 sources are. You are also required to use the terms shape, texture, and pattern. If you're not sure what those terms are, please pull up your Foundations of Art vocabulary and review the terms. You'll answer the questions of what culture's mask did you find interesting? Why did you choose this mask? There are 3 lines available to you to type that. You'll post 2 screenshots of your culture's mask. You can do this below or in the course with your submission. You'll explain what the mask was used for. Was this for ceremony, theater, funeral, fun? What was it used for? Be specific and try to describe. So if this was used for theater, this was used for theater that they did not speak. Think of things like Shakespearean or no masks. Was it something that was related to that? How was this used and why? What were the original ones made from? When you watch the PBS video, you'll see that he talks about what they used to make the masks that he's showing. So make sure to include it from your research what the masks were made of. Tell, what does this mask tell you about the people? So for instance, if it's a Native American mask, were they nomadic? Did they move around a lot? Were they agrarian? So did they do farming? Did their masks relate to that? For your sources, I do not require you to put those in MLA format or anything like that. Simply copy and paste your link into the 3 spots available for your links. You'll submit your questionnaire and drawing colored in, don't forget to do that, to the course. You can also review the rubric for how you will be graded.